Ready?
You and I have both had pumpkin pie and we enjoy it. But for pigs, they don't get pumpkins unless somebody brings them a special dinner. And these pigs have never had pumpkins before. But as you'll see, it doesn't take them long to learn how to really ravish the pumpkins. Pigs do like pumpkins. You could bring us your pumpkins at Highland Hill Farm and we will help recycle these pumpkins to various pig farmers in the area that need pumpkins for their pigs. And yes, we are a tree farm in Fountainville, PA, but we do a lot of work in recycling. And after all, the EPA has said that pumpkins are bad for the environment because they create global warming. So rather than have the pumpkins go to waste and create methane gas just by rotting in some field or some landfill, bring them to Highland Hill Farm and we'll see to it that these pumpkins get put to better use by feeding some pigs. And incidentally, these pigs will be all used for pantries, for helping people that don't have food. This will be food for the pantries. Yes, pigs for pantries. We will see it happen and it will be done. So bring us your pumpkins to Highland Hill Farm. And if you need trees or shrubs, Highland Hill Farm is a supplier of trees and shrubs in the Delaware Valley, and we do deliver and plant our trees. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you.
So, and they sleep in these things?
They all fit in. They're all in number one.
Is there any warmth in there?
Oh yeah, it's all sheltered. There's straw in there and everything.
There's pig heaven.
I'll just look. There's a multi truck right there. It's not odd.
Hey, go figure. So how did you get involved with this?
Yeah, they have like manure. They spread it around.
The
Flower scrub. Guys, he's drinking. Look at that, Bill. He's drinking finally. Here he goes.
Oh, you can't see in there.
No, he didn't go inside.
How did they get in?
The whole side's open on this.
Oh.
And it all faces away from it. Yeah. And then we put a bale straw in the front,
But they all sleep in the same one?
Yeah, they get to sit close to the wire, so then they already know where the wire is, Bill.
Yep.
That one did, you know, still having danced
So how
over.
long have they been out here?
24 hours.
Oh, they just got here.
Came yesterday.
From where?
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenore, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.